Masa.
Hey Laura, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Nice to see you again.
You too. I'm very excited to be cooking with you today.
Yeah?
What are we doing?
We're making the Japanese style traditional curry today.
Lovely. I'm very excited. I've never
Yeah?
actually had a traditional Japanese curry before.
Oh,
so
that's great.
Yum. Awesome. Well, step out of the kitchen and come into my small little kitchen. Let's have some fun.
All good. I'll see you then.
Today on My Market Kitchen, I have invited someone very, very special into my small kitchen, not too far from yours. We've got Washui, which is your restaurant, Masa, which is very exciting.
Yeah, me and my father's. Yes.
Lovely. I'm very excited to meet your father as well. Now,
Fantastic.
I love Japanese food. I've never been to Japan.
Oh, really?
It's on the list of travels once we're allowed to go out and travel again.
You need to go.
But I'm really excited for today's recipe. Tell me all the things.
Right, so today we're going to be making the traditional Japanese style curry.
Beautiful.
We're going to be using this S&B golden curry today. So what's really special about this one is it's had a long history.
Yep.
But when the Indian curry is first introduced to Japan,
Yep.
to match the Japanese palates, they made a special recipe.
Okay.
So that it matches all Asian cuisines.
Nice, because Indian
Right.
is like very intense, like so many
Exactly.
spices. There's a lot happening, whereas Japanese, the flavour is a lot more subtle.
Exactly.
So really, this is a nice, quick, easy recipe that anyone can make at home.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
It usually takes no more than 30 minutes.
Oh, beautiful, easy. All right, well, tell me, put me to work. What would you like me to get started on?
Right. So first of all, if you can just slice these onions for
Yeah,
me.
beautiful.
I'm pretty sure you got the perfect knife skills to
Are
do
you
this.
sure? I'm really nervous about this. Japanese chefs, don't they spend like 7 years, like especially sushi chefs, learning how to like slice their fish properly? Is that right? 7 years? No. Or is it
So
longer?
If you work in a normal sushi restaurant,
Yeah.
then it takes you approximately about 5 to 10 years to learn how to cook rice. And then they actually let you touch some fishes, they clean it.
Oh my God.
But to be able to slice, probably about maybe 15 years.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
That is next level. So both onions you'd like me to slice?
Yes, please.
Beautiful. Lovely. So once we finish this, we'll cut the potatoes, the mushrooms, the broccoli, the carrots. So many vegetables in this. I love it.
Yeah, the more vegetables you put in, the more flavor you actually get.
I love it.
But actually, you can use any vegetables you want. Whatever is left over in your fridge, go for it.
Beautiful. Well, Marcel, let's put your knife skills to the test. Who is better? Go.
Bring it up.
All right, Marcel, the onions are nice and sweated down. You can see the sugars have come out of the onion, so it's almost like jammy. You can smell it. It's like it's gonna sound terrible, but it smells like Bunnings sausage sizzles. I love it. The onion smell is so good. All the vegetables are nice and chopped. They all look quite even. I'm very impressed with us. What's next?
Well, now that you've done a fantastic knife work right there,
Stop it.
what's going to happen now is we're going to add the chicken.
Add the chicken. Beautiful. I'll go in with the chicken.
Go for it. And then if you can also add the mushrooms as well.
Beautiful. Mushrooms go in.
So what's going to happen now is we're just going to wait until the chicken's cooked 3/4 of the way.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Yep.
And then we're going to add some water.
Yep.
Some red vegetables that I cut right here. Simmer until these ones are completely cooked. We'll add the broccoli.
Nice.
And then we'll finish it off with this golden curry right here.
And then I get to eat it.
Exactly. Then you get to eat it.
I'm very excited. Broccoli in.
Yes, please.
Beautiful. And the curry. Now I'll
Curry.
put this one out for you.
Yeah, so if you can just help me out a little bit.
Yeah.
Get all the curry up.
Yep.
If you can just cut it into small blocks for me
Oh,
so that
yes.
it's easier to dilute.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice. So we put the whole thing in.
Yes, please.
There's a bit of turmeric. It's like the first thing that I get is turmeric, but it's also like a stock cube, kind of like saltiness, like
Exactly.
umami kind of flavor, which is really, really nice. And so it's like instant flavor. So you can see already, actually, that is thickening, like literally straight away.
Yeah.
And melting. That is smelling so good.
So if you use this as a curry base, you can
Yep.
also add it into like udon noodle soups.
Oh, nice. Yes.
Make
Yep.
a curry noodle.
Yeah, beautiful.
That also
Yum.
you can add a lot of different meats and vegetables in there as
Yep.
well.
And then the katsu curry as well.
Yes, katsu
Yeah,
curry. So you
beautiful.
can make a different varieties, not just chicken, but you can also make crumbed pork bellies.
Yum.
You can make crumbed beef
Oh, I'm
curries.
getting so hungry.
Even fish.
Oh my God, this is so exciting. That is so thick. So that's
There
almost
you
like
go.
a stew, like full curry texture now, isn't it? That's
Exactly.
beautiful. We'll turn that off. Now I've steamed some rice as well,
No
only because
problem.
I love rice with every curry.
Excellent. So if you can just plate it halfway through the plate.
Halfway through, the pressure is on.
Excellent.
That
I'll
is
get
for
the
you.
ladle. Thank you.
All the rice?
All the rice, please.
Okay.
Just like a nice mountain. Got the beautiful curry.
Beautiful. Look at the colour as well. That is glistening.
Yes.
You can see that turmeric has come through.
Yeah, and you
And
did a
all the
perfect job with the
veggies.
broccoli as well.
I love when parents feed their kids all different kinds of things. I think it's really important, especially to get
Yeah.
so many vegetables into a curry like this with not much spice but so much flavour. I think all we have to do is eat.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you. This is very, very exciting. I'm like,
Yeah, this is very popular with Japanese kids as well.
yeah.
And it's really a great way to give them all the nutrients that they need for every day.
So
Yeah.
in Italian, we say buon appetito.
Yep.
When we start to eat a meal, it's like a happy eating or like please
Ah.
enjoy kind of a phrase.
All right.
What do we say in
we say itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Perfect.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. And they are good.
That is so good. That is actually delicious.
What's also great about this is you can also choose the different levels of spices.
Awesome.
So if you want something a little bit more spicier,
Yep.
then you can have something that is labeled spicy.
Yeah, awesome.
Yep, this one's mild. You can also choose one rank lower.
Yep.
For your kids, maybe.
I love it. I think this is absolutely beautiful. A very easy curry to cook at home and very kid-friendly as well, which is really nice. So thank you so
Exactly.
much for sharing such a simple but delicious recipe with us.
Thank you very much. Always a pleasure.